In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save image in Figma. Start by opening your design in Figma, either in the desktop app or in your browser. Make sure the file and page that contain the artwork you want are active. It helps to zoom in a little so you can confidently select the right element. Next, select the specific thing you want to save. You can click directly on an image layer or choose an entire frame if you want everything in that frame exported together. If you are unsure what's selected, glance at the Layers panel to confirm you've got the correct image or frame highlighted. This matters because Figma exports exactly what you've selected, not the entire canvas. Now look to the right-hand sidebar and make sure you are on the Design tab. Scroll to the very bottom until you see the Export section. If you don't see Export, it usually means nothing is selected yet. So click your image or frame once more, and it should appear. Click the plus icon to add a new export setting. This tells Figma how to package your selection as a file. Under Format, choose the type that best fits your use case. PNG is great for crisp UI elements and supports transparent backgrounds. JPG is ideal for photos and generally produces smaller files, though it doesn't support transparency. SVG works well for vector logos and icons you want to scale infinitely or edit later. PDF is useful when you need a document, style output or plan to include it in print or presentations. Set the scale next. A value of 1 times exports at the original size of your selection. Choosing 2 times creates a higher resolution version, which is helpful for Retina displays or when you know you'll need extra clarity. Keep in mind that larger scales mean larger file sizes. If you want to double-check what will be saved, use the Preview option. This gives you a quick look at the exact bounds of your export so there are no surprises, especially with transparency or cropping. When everything looks right, click the Export button. Figma will generate the file in the chosen format and scale. Depending on your setup, it will either prompt you to choose a location or save straight to your default Downloads folder. From there, you can rename, organize, or share it as needed. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.